ẹ̀yin mélòó lẹ rí àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn, àwọn ọlọ́pàá tí wọ́n ṣaráàlú báṣubàṣu, tí wọ́n ṣe àwọn ọ̀gbẹ́ni méjì yẹn, tí wọ́n ṣe wọ́n yànkanyànkan ní agbègbè mile 2 nílùú Èkó. Ọwọ́ pálábá wọn ti ṣẹ́gi o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, kódà àṣírí wọn ti tú, afẹ́fẹ́ ti wá fẹ́ báyìí, a ti rí fùrọ̀ adìyẹ, gbogbo ohun tí wọ́n ń gbé pamọ́ pátápátá òun rèé ń gbangba o. Ǹjẹ́ jẹ́ mọ̀ pé àwọn méjì tó ń sojú kokoko yẹn tẹ́ ń wò yẹn, wọn kì í ṣe ọlọ́pàá o, wọ́n ní police dog ni wọ́n. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ wọ́n máa ń lò wọ́n láti máa fi commit oríṣiríṣi àwọn atrocities. Ṣé ti rí fídíò yẹn? Ẹ wo bó ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní àrà àti bọ̀bọ́ yẹn. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá dá mọ́tò dúró lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ tí lójú títì, wọ́n dá wọn dúró pé kán park. Bọ̀bọ́ yẹn dẹ̀ obey, wọ́n dẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe stop and search. Jẹ́jẹ́ mọ̀ pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn mú bọ̀bọ́ yẹn, wọ́n dẹ̀ mú lọ sí kọ́nà àbí kan tí wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lọ harass ẹ̀. Ẹ wo ọ̀gbẹ́ni tó dé fìlà yẹn tẹ́ ń wò yẹn, ìyẹn ti tiẹ̀ kò kì í ṣe ọlọ́pàá o. Àtẹ̀lé tó wà àwọn mọ́fìtì yẹn tí ò wọṣọ kankan rárá, tí ò wọṣọ ọlọ́pàá, tó mú gídé tó ní pé kóun wò sí bọ̀bọ́ yẹn. Màá play fídíò yẹn fún yín nísìnyí fẹ́yìn tẹ̀ tí láǹfààní láti rí fídíò yẹn. Ọwọ́ pálábá wọn ti ṣẹ́gi, kódà àwọn ọlọ́pàá ti pè wọ́n pé kán wá jẹ́jọ́. Tẹ́ ò bá gbàgbé, ẹ rí i pé adájọ́ kan ní kòpẹ́kòpẹ́ yìí ní Warri nípínlẹ̀ Delta lọ́hùn, ó dá ẹjọ́ yẹn lọ́jọ́ yẹn lọ́hùn pé láti wákàtí ọ̀wọ̀ yìí lọ o, kí gbogbo àwọn èèyàn lórí ọ̀fẹ́ láti lè máa rìkọ́ọ̀dù àwọn ọlọ́pàá tó ń wà lójú iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́. Yẹn máa wà fún accountability àti civil liberty, òmìnira ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, àti pé kí ṣe àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn kó lè kójú òṣùwọ̀n dáadáa. Ẹ wo news tí àwọn Premium Times gbé jáde láàárọ̀ yìí, yàjó lélẹ́yìí o. Wọ́n ní police authority summon Lagos officer to Abuja over viral harassment video. From the footage, it is clear that the officer were aware of the recording, yet they continue to intimidate the two individuals with threatening words. Despite the fact pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá mọ̀ wípé bàbá yẹn ti sọ náà, ó ti sọ pé òun rìkọ́ọ̀dù kìíní yìí o, pé I'm recording this incident yìí o, ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá pé òun rìkọ́ọ̀dù ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́. And despite that, àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn dẹ̀ continue láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní harass ọ̀gbẹ́ni yẹn. Ẹ wo, màá play voice note kan fún yín nísìn, kẹ́ gbọ́ voice note yẹn, kẹ́ wá gbọ́ bí tí ọ̀gbẹ́ni kan ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tú àṣírí wọn pé police dog làwọn ẹni tẹ́ ń wò yìí o. Àwọn tó ń perform atrocities yẹn, police dog ni gbogbo wọn. They are not a real policeman. Àwọn real policeman ń bẹ láàrin wọn bẹ̀ yẹn, but àwọn police yẹn mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ lu àwọn tó jẹ́ rascal people nígboro tó sáré máa guys yẹn lọ sí corner kan. Gbogbo wọn ti lọ ń jẹ́jọ́ l'Àbújá báyìí o. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn, kó tó di pé mo tẹ̀síwájú, ẹ jẹ́ n sáré play audio yìí fún yín kẹ́ gbọ́ nǹkan tọ́gbẹ́ni yẹn sọ nípa wọn. Mò ń bọ̀, ẹ má yí kó ń bẹ̀. Àdàbà tẹlifíṣàn náà lẹ́wà.
What's up now? How you doing? Sign. That video where you do concerning the police, where that guy carrying back, go call that the chance. You see what he did there? That one we wear jackets, pull SF special force fiscal. That one not be police. You understand? It should be all those police dog. But police where the original police where they there, where they're supposed to use their discretion. Somebody was telling that all this thing you are doing is on video, is on record. They're supposed to use their discretion. They do make that they give police bad name every day. You understand? I mean, go help us for this country, especially we police. They know the hear word. Yeah? That one a pure police dog, not be police. You understand? Not be police. Now pure police dog. You understand? Because police don't dress like that. Even if they road, you do anywhere, police don't drug. They're not they dress like that. You understand? But they don't hear word. Police don't hear word. And then they make them they call police name, different name every day. You arrested, you did your stop and search, whatever. What are you supposed to do? You will shout. If they say that they record, okay, fine, good. You will open all those things. Understand? If there's no any criminality, then you allow them to go. You will allow them to go. I'm sorry, blah blah blah. Bye bye. God, all these things too much. It's too much. Most of our police, I don't know why they are doing all this thing. That one we wear clothes again. That one not be police. Now two policemen did there. Two policemen. One we wear black and one we wear camo. One we wear camo. You see, say stop for that place. He come out. The one we say where the speaker, we say go breaking this thing. That one a police. Two of them are the original police. God, may God help us. See, they know why. If they call them from Abuja now, they'll go defend themselves. More people.
ẹ tún káàbọ̀ padà yín èèyàn ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti gbọ́ yìí ṣẹ́yìn náà ti rí báyìí pé these people are not real policemen wọn kì í ṣọlọ́pàá gidi wọn kàn ń dọ́gbọ́n harass àwọn èèyàn for nothing for goodness sake ẹ wo bó ṣe harass àwọn guys méjèèjì yẹn ẹ wo bó ṣe harass wọn. Now Inspector General of Police ti sọ̀rọ̀. The Inspector General of Police IGP Olatunji Disu has summoned officer attached to the satellite town division of the Lagos State Police Command to report to Abuja for disciplinary proceeding following the viral video alleging harassment of the two residents. Wọ́n ní kó tètè máa ọlọ́pàá yẹn kó tètè máa mú wọn bọ̀ wá sí ìlú Àbújá báyìí kan wá jẹ́jọ́ torí pé wọ́n lẹ́jọ́ jẹ́ irú nǹkan báyìí ò gbọ́dọ̀ máa ṣẹlẹ̀ láwùjọ wa ìlú tó lọ́ba tó lófin tó níjòyè àtúnwá ní commissioner of police gidi báyìí ẹ rí i pé wọ́n kàn dín nínú yọ̀ wọn lè mélèé jẹ́ o. The directive announced on Sunday comes in public outrage over footage showing officer on stop and search duty allegedly attempting to search two young men's bag away from their parked vehicle in the Abuladu area of Lagos. Wọ́n wá ní tẹ́ ò bá gbàgbé pé àwọn federal court ń bẹ ní Warri ní Delta State. Federal court in Warri, Delta State recently ruled that Nigerians have the constitutional right to record police officer. Tó túmọ̀ sí pé àwọn ọ̀gbẹ́ni méjì tó ń fi kámẹ́rà tí ń bẹ nínú glass ojú ẹ̀ tó fi ń rìkọ́dù yẹn right ẹ̀ ní under the constitution of Nigeria. Ó ní right láti record police officer torí wọ́n ti fìdí ẹ̀ múlẹ̀ nílé ẹjọ́. As the right is the constitutional right to record police officer performing their duty in public, setting a major precedent for accountability and civil liberties. The judge, H.A. Injagiwa, ruled that police officers must wear visible name tag, display their first number, and refrain from harassing, intimidating, arresting, or confiscating devices from citizens who record their action. Òfin ti fi múlẹ̀ wípé gbogbo ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà pàápàá they have the right to record any policeman on duty. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ní káwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn make sure pé wọ́n put on their right uniform kí name tag wọ́n dẹ̀ wà nígbà àyà wọn. Torí tó máa ṣe ń record yẹn kó máa capture orúkọ wọn eléyìí gan máa jẹ́ káwọn gan súnra kìkan túnra mú láti má máa ṣe wàwù on duty especially tó máa ṣe stop and search. Ṣé ìrí báyẹn? The court awarded the applicant Maxwell Uwafo 5 million naira for the violation of his fundamental rights and an additional 2 million naira for litigating costs. Tó túmọ̀ sí pé ọ̀gbẹ́ni tó gbé àwọn ọlọ́pàá lọ sílé ẹjọ́ ní Warri 7 million naira ló gbà kú mẹ́. Wọ́n ní wọ́n kọ́ fún 5 million naira náà pé wọ́n tẹ̀ ẹ̀tọ́ rẹ̀ lójúmọ́lẹ̀ torí ráìtì aráàlú ni láti lè máa rìkọ́dù àwọn ọlọ́pàá tí ń bẹ lójú iṣẹ́. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà yẹn gbogbo owó tó ná láti fi pọ̀ṣù kéèsì yẹn wọ́n tún ní kó tún fún 2 million naira making 7 million naira all together. Now ẹ wọ àwọn ọ̀gbẹ́ni méjì báyìí tí ò bá kí n ṣọpẹ́lọpẹ́ pé ìkejì bọ̀bọ́ yẹn ọ̀rẹ́ ó ní glass tó ń record lọ́wọ́ tó fi lè capture gbogbo scenario yẹn lánàá ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn kò bá lágbára o torí wọ́n kàn máa tẹ̀tọ́ wọn lójúmọ́lẹ̀ for nothing. Ẹ wo bí tó ń park sí ẹ wo miles táwọn ọlọ́pàá mú wọn lọ ilé ìgbẹ́nu tán ó lé kínka bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló pàkàṣọ. Fẹ́yìn tẹ̀ tí ì rí fídíò yẹn ẹ jẹ́ n play fún yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ẹ ṣeun tẹ́ ń gbọ́ wa ẹ máa ń comment kẹ́ máa like ẹ sì máa bá mi pín fọ́nrán káàkiri lógúnlógún lọ́gbọ̀nlọ́gbọ̀n kó lè ti kan ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn lára àníri jù báyìí lọ lórí ilé tí ẹ mú wá fún yín. Bó bá tún ṣe ń lọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gbogbo ìpátá náà lẹ́la àǹfààní láti máa gbọ́ lórí ìkànnì Àdàbà tẹlifíṣàn. Ó yá ẹ jẹ́ máa ń yí kíní sókè kẹfà balẹ̀ gbọ́ gbogbo àlàyé ọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo bọ́rọ̀ ohun ti ṣe jẹ́ gan ní pàtó Àdàbà tẹlifíṣàn náà lẹ́wà ẹ kú kalẹ̀.
Let me see what it is. Who's that one? This is.
Come, check her here now.
Okay, come, let me take the bag.
Check it here now. Where they carry me go?
I can't take you here.
Why?
I can't take you here.
Why?
Yes, head us back on me. Wait, watch now. I will not go again.
Why?
Follow me.
Okay, calm down now. Why you dey drag my bag? I never see officer where they search person, they carry person, they go corner, go search am. This is the first time for this one. Oh, Allah. Just know that everything you do right now is recorded. I'm an artist. You see, I have my ID card. So just know that everything you are doing right now is recorded. And it's protecting straight. I'm not even here to even joke. Why you touch my eyeglass, or that? Why you touch my eyeglass? Don't follow me to anything illegal. May they search me, man.
Okay, go like this. Come, go like this.
Hey, more they go now. Are they your back, or God? They go out, they follow you.
I will follow my back. I go front. Are you mad?
If you say I don't want to slap you,
Oh, go kill your head.
that's not. But when I join police, they never burn you.
So why not come out they harass me now?
Who be harassing you? Respect yourself.
Now you go harass us. Let them be fine, but that's why you go put that. Once they make them lose guard you,
Lose guard me care.
make them lose guard you. Yeah, come this side. Follow me like this. I don't want to touch your clothes. Follow me. Oh, okay. Why you give
agbe ní gbére pàdé olókun àdùkò ní gbére pàdé ọlọ́ṣà òdìdẹrẹ́ ní gbére pàdé wọn lóde ìwò fún ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tí nǹkan rẹ̀ ò ṣe déédéé ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tí ṣàyàwó rẹ̀ ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ gbọ́ jìgìjìgì lára lójú lọ mú kára rẹ̀ ó tó le ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tó ń retí ọmọ bíbí ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tó fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan tó dáa láyé pẹ̀lú aya rẹ̀ tí ìfàyàlòyà tí ó fi di nǹkan tó dáa ìwọ tásítọ̀ rẹ̀ ń sàn tí ò kí tó láti dọmọ ìwọ ọkùnrin tára rẹ̀ ò le ìwọ ọkùnrin ṣẹ̀ẹ̀kan dìde ìwọ ọkùnrin tátàn rẹ ò dúró déédéé ìwọ ọkùnrin tó ń retí ọmọ ìwọ ọkùnrin tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣègbéyàwó ọgbọ́ capable herbal energy capsule ló nílò fún gbogbo àìṣedéédé ara rẹ kó o lè jẹ́rìí sọmọ bíbí àti nǹkan tó dáa láti ṣe.